Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up the Microsoft Edge WebDriver for Selenium. First, make sure there are four things ready before setting up the Edge driver: Java JDK, Eclipse IDE, Selenium WebDriver, and Microsoft Edge browser. Make sure they are installed on your system. If you don't have them, click the link in the video description for detailed instructions on how to install them. To check your Edge browser version, open Edge browser, click on the three dotted lines, then select Help and Feedback and About Microsoft Edge. You will see the current browser version number. I am using the latest version of Microsoft Edge browser, which is 125.0.25.35.79. Download the Microsoft Edge driver, search for Edge driver download in your web browser and click the first link. It will redirect to the Edge driver download page, which contains the latest release of the Edge driver. It's important to note that the Microsoft Edge WebDriver is essentially identical to the Microsoft Edge driver. Alternatively, you can visit the Selenium official website, that is selenium.dev, and click Downloads, go down and click the browser's plus symbol under Platform supported by Selenium. Select the documentation link for the Edge browser. On this page, click Download button. Here you can see the latest Edge driver which matches our version number of Microsoft Edge browser. Since I am using Windows 64-bit as my operating system, I will click this link. The download will start. Once downloaded, go to the downloaded folder and extract the zip file. Now the Edge browser is ready. To test the Edge driver, open Eclipse. Within the Selenium demo Java project, create a Java class. Name it as Edge driver test. Click main method confirmation box and finish. Here you need to write the test script that consists of three steps. Step 1. You need to set the path of the Edge driver using the system.setProperty method. This method requires two arguments, the name of the driver and the path of the driver. The Edge driver name is webdriver.edge.driver and the path refers to the location of the extracted driver file. Simply navigate to the extracted location, copy the path and paste it here. I already have it here, so I copy and paste it here. Please note that you have to specify ms edgedriver.exe at the end of the driver path. Step 2. Create new instance of the edge driver using this code. Step 3. Use this driver object to navigate any website, for example Google site. Finally, run the application. The Edge browser is opened and navigates to the google.com site. Here you can see the message Microsoft Edge is being controlled by automated test software. This indicates that the Edge browser has been opened by an automated test script. Now we have successfully downloaded the Edge driver and opened the Microsoft Edge browser using an automation script. That's all. Thank you. Thanks for watching.